This is a day we can do anything, anything, anything. And all our dreams light up the way we can.
Morning. Most welcome to the Rita Das classes. I request all the new viewers to please subscribe my channel. Today I am going to teach you the 7th chapter of class 10th, Glimpses of India part 2 course. And first of all, we have to know about the author. Lokesh Abrol is a renowned doctor by profession. He established the first multi-speciality hospital in the private sector in Gurgaon. He is also a social worker. He established the first stray cow shelter in Gurgaon. Lokesh Abrol is also an established writer. The present essay on Kurz highlights his sharp observation and the ability for a graphic description of the wonderful land that is called Kurz. After knowing the author, we have to know the introduction of the lesson. The lesson gives us a beautiful insight of the smallest districts of Karnataka and its people. The place has an amazing weather throughout the year with enough rain during the monsoon season. The people of Kurz are known to be one of the bravest coffee and the main crop grown in this region. A variety of animals can be found here while the place is surrounded by beautiful Brahmagiri hills, island and Tibetan settlements. After knowing the introduction, we have to know the difficult words meaning. The first is the colonial. It means the pertaining to a colony. Canopies means hanging covers that from a shelter, and trekkers means travelers, and fiercely means very much. Panoramic view means a view of wide area. And the key points of is that Kurz is the smallest district situated between the Mysore and Mangalore. It is situated in hills inhabited by martial men and the women. Kurz is also known as the Kodagu. There are evergreen forests, spices and coffee plants and colonies Bangalows. And after that, some main points were written by the writer, and that's are the origin of these people. People are brave and hospitable, water and Kurzi life, and other adventures. The Kurz. The lesson starts with the place, and the Kurz is a piece of heaven and which is drifted by the god, and it was situated midway between Mysore and coastal town of Mangalore. It is the smallest district of Karnataka. It is a hilly place of brave men, beautiful women and wild creatures. It is also known by the name of Kodagu. We can reach Kurz from Bangalore or Mysore by rail, road or by air. Kurz is the home of evergreen forest, spices and coffee plantation. It rains heavily during the monsoon and the visitors keep away, but the months of from September to March are very pleasant time. The air breathes of refreshing coffee, and the Kurz people live in the life of complete independence. It is believed that they are descended from the Greeks or the Arab people. Once the Arab peoples came to the place, according to the Greek theory, it is said that a part of Alexander's army came to the Kurz, and when their return is impracticable and impossible, then they settled there and they go back and was left here. These people married among the locals. The martial tradition of the Greeks, their marriage and religious rites are quite visible among the Kurz people. According to Arab theory, the kupiya, a long black coat with an embroidered belt worn by the Kodavas, resemble the kupiya worn by the Arabs. Kodubas or the Kurjis are known for their bravery and hospitality. The Kurz regiment of the Indian Army has won many bravery rewards. General Cariappa, the first chief of the Indian Army, was a Kurji people. The river Kaveri obtained its water from the hills and forests of Kurz. The area is rich in wildlife like elephants, kingfishers, squirrels, langurs, and parrots. The most popular adventure sports are rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain biking. The Nishar Gadma Island is a lonely island beyond the Brahmagiri hills. The Buddhist monk settled here give us a glimpse of the heart and soul of India. After the explanation, we have to know about the summary of this lesson. Kurj is situated in Karnataka midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. It looks like a piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. This is a land of rolling hills. It is a home of evergreen forest, spices and coffee plantation. Evergreen forest cover 30% of Kurj districts. The river Kaveri flows through the Kurj. Big elephants are also found here. Birds, bees and butterflies are there to give the visitors company. The climb to the Brahmagiri hills brings into a panoramic view of the entire misty landscape of Kurj. It is said that the people searching for the heart and soul of India visit Kurj. After the summary, we have to know the theme of Kurz lesson. Kurji people are fiercely independent and brave. Kurji houses have a tradition of hospitality. The Kurz regiment is the most decorative in the Indian Army. At last, the conclusion of this lesson is that it is said that Kurz is a heavenly place and it is drifted by the God. That's why it is very famous for the coffee plantation, spices and the rainforest. Thank you.